In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on your Nissan Rogue, located right here on the back glass. You want to go ahead and grab that wiper arm, gently lift upward. You're going to grab the wiper blade, pull that out like so. Gently pull down, and you're going to dislodge the cross pin there with the arm. Take the new arm, slide it in to the top first, line up that cross pin, press it up and you'll hear it and feel it snap into place. Fold your wiper arm down, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.